On Tuesday, the Congress launched a scathing attack on Union Home Minister Amit Shah, calling his latest statement on peace in Jammu Kashmir and the Northeast nothing short of bizarre.
Congress General Secretary strongly refuted Shah's claims of restoring normalcy, especially pointing to the ongoing turmoil in Manipur, where violence, displacement, and unrest continue to shake public confidence.
Quote, "Never has India had a Union Home Minister whose tenure has been defined by maximum boasts and minimum achievements, unless of course we're counting what he's managed to do for his own son."
This sharp rebuke comes amid rising criticism over the center's handling of ethnic tensions in Manipur, where peace still remains elusive.
According to the Congress, Shah's recent assertions are nothing more than a political distraction, a calculated move to divert public attention away from what they call his colossal failures. Analysis.
While the government touts progress in Jammu Kashmir post-Article 370 abrogation, ground reports frequently cite concerns about restricted freedoms, demographic changes, and an overstretched security framework.
In Manipur, over a year since violence erupted, thousands remain displaced, schools remain shut in some regions, and arms continue to circulate unchecked. Conclusion.
As the country heads closer to elections, questions grow louder. Has the government truly brought peace, or is it simply packaging political propaganda as progress?
The opposition, it seems, is ready to call the bluff, with facts, not slogans.